Wednesday, April 15th. Today we're working on the 71 wide gauge. We'll go talk to Gary and see what's going on here.
Okay, we got this cut off now and this cut off, but I gotta take that tin off. I'm just gonna get a hammer here.
So we cut out the hole for the hood the other day, but there was still a lot of rust and dents and shit. That wasn't any good, so we cut out a little bit more off the front just to start new. We have the windshield taped up and masked. We're not going to take that out. And that's one of the only actual glass windows that we have in this machine. So we've got to protect that while we're grinding. You see it looks like a Fred Flinstone car. We took the floor out and the stump pan, getting ready to put new metal in, because this metal that was in here was brazed on and fucking cracked and banged to shit. There's no way we were going to use that for this machine. We have
Next episode now is...
So the next thing we're going to do is get ready to take the differential and axles out. I'm not sure why. Why are we taking them out? Just to make it easier to work?
Well, I'm going to put a new seal on the pinion.
Okay.
And I want to take the cover off of there and check the gears.
Yeah, because differential is dry when it come in.
Yeah, and these, if I take this out and I can work on it, then I'll put, there's two sets of seals in there and the bearings in a race, eh? You can't send it out not fixed.
No.
And then these are going to be replaced.
Yeah.
Because they're bent, and this is twisted plus broke, eh?
Yeah.
So they come off. New shocks.
Yeah, those rubber bump stops are completely missing.
Yeah.
Bracket and all.
And we're going to replate in here. This is how thick they put the bondo, so that's got to be cut out, patch put in so it's smooth. Then in here we put plates like this, or weld them top and bottom from here to here for the bumper. And then this kind of stuff here, that gotta weld shit.
It's all got to be cut off.
Got to be cut off.
But we're going to take this outside and pressure wash really good too, because it's completely packed full of gunk.
From here on, all the way through.
Yep.
Oh, and these are both wrecked, the adjusters.
Yep.
And the crack rubbed on here so much that this is seized onto the axle now. And if we don't replace it, it'll break the weld off the axle here on the frame.
Mm-hmm. We got to put the angle iron in for the floor, right?
Yep.
So we'll put a level on top of those cross members, mark to the other side, and we'll put 2 pieces of angle iron for the floor to set in, instead of having that piece of tin that is usually in there.
And then if you go around, you'll see where we have to put angle iron in here.
Yep.
Where it's broke away.
Yep. Couple more dents to pound out.
Anyway, it's going to be down to the bare essentials.
Yep. Well, it's a good starting point for a brand new rebuild, right?
Yep. Well, he said he wants it like new, so that's what it's going to be.
Well, remember what I told you, no fucking shortcuts.
I think I told you that.
What? I never heard that before. Ready.
These bolts, when it came out of the factory, were hollow, and you used to grease in under here. But with them being hollow, they're weak, and if they break, you can't steer this. So what we do is weld a nut in here and drill through and put a grease nipple in, so when you open the door you can grease your steering right here.
Yeah.
We'll take all this apart, clean it, and put it back together.
Well, Wednesday, April 15th, these guys aren't fooling around. We got the front window taped off, and Aidan is busy grinding out all that extra Bondo, and they have not stopped here at all. So a little bit of cleanup and then get right back at it. So I'm gonna wait for him to stop grinding, but really hoping that Mr. and Mrs. Steve McCoy are enjoying the new project, and Clarence Olson and Louis Batista and even my Auntie Joyce and all the other commenters on this video and all the other videos. But this is AA71 wide gauge. We'll switch from grinding now to the chisel to get off some of that old grind. I just put some earplugs in, so forgive me if I'm yelling the video here. Dad's working on the back here doing grinding as well. We're going to try and take off as much of this old shit as possible. Dad's already cut out on the other side there. There's a rusty chunk. The customer wants that checkerboard aluminum in there. And so he wants to really dust it up. And so, while Dad's working on the back, he's working on the front. Put a new chunk in here, and then that checkerboard we're really opened up here now. Nothing's on the headliner. Looks like we got the escape hatch off as well. And then Dad put in that new. Repainted. So already warned the job just for the repaint, but that's what he wants. And both Dad and Aidan are actually really happy to be working. This is I swept up the shop yesterday. Take long. So yeah, and we'll check in with them later. Charles in charge and Filipino Emily. We are an explosion of snow.